Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Suman Moron. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of glutinous rice and 3 cups of fresh coconut milk. Have 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder ready. Don't forget the cleaned banana leaves, which are crucial for the wrapping. These simple items will form the foundation of our delicious treat. Begin by washing your glutinous rice until the water runs clear, ensuring a clean base. Next, soak it in 2 cups of coconut milk for about 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Transfer this to a pot and cook over medium heat, stirring continuously. As it thickens, stir in 1/2 cup of brown sugar until it completely dissolves, creating a sweet and sticky mixture. Now, let's create the chocolate element. Take about 1/3 of your cooked sticky rice mixture and place it in a separate bowl. To this, add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/2 cup of the remaining brown sugar. Stir these ingredients thoroughly until the cocoa is completely blended. You want a smooth, rich chocolate color, ensuring no lumps remain in this delicious portion. Next, prepare your banana leaves, lay one out, shiny side up. Spoon a long strip of the plain, sticky rice onto its center. Then, carefully place an equally long strip of the chocolate rice right on top of the plain. Now, roll the leaf tightly, encasing both mixtures into a neat log. Fold the ends inward to securely seal your suman, ready for cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.